Hi and welcome to the first of our introductory videos. In this video, I am going to create a simple iFloor plan for an apartment. Let's get started. Click Start New iFloor Plan. In the first screen, we upload the floor plan. In the next screen, I will upload my photographs. Uploading multiple files can take a few moments depending on your internet connection. But for this iFloor plan, I will just upload photos. And now we enter the editor. Our floor plan is loaded, ready to scale, crop and position. I can double-click the floor plan to start the crop tool, or click on the crop symbol. I can scale my floor plan and position it to make the best use of the space available. Our photo placeholder is also ready to reposition and scale. I can change the size of my images and floor plans at any time. I am now ready to add my photographs. I click Select Images and that opens the image library. I can select the photos I want to use, or in this case I will click Select All. Then click Use Selected Images and save changes. Returning to the editor, my first image has appeared, along with the first marker. I move the marker into position on the floor plan and rotate the arrow to show the angle of view. Then I click Next and position the new marker. I then repeat for each of my photographs. To rotate the marker 45 degrees, hold the Shift key on your keyboard. That is my last photo. The next button is now gray, indicating that I have used all the images that I selected in the image library. Add the address in the address field. iFloor Plan now has a mobile player. I can see a preview of how my floor plan will appear on a mobile device by clicking the mobile symbol. I can adjust the size of my floor plan on the mobile player, and I can adjust the size of the markers too. I can also see how it would appear on mobile in landscape orientation. To exit, click the desktop symbol. It is time to preview my work. And try it out. We can close the preview window anytime and return to the editor. I am now ready to publish my iFloor plan. Once it is published, I can copy the link or share directly from here. There is just one more thing I want to do with this iFloor plan. I am going to change the image used on the splash screen. By default, the first image in the library will be used, but we can change that. Click on Tools and select Image Library from the menu. I'll select the third image in my library by clicking on the thumbnail. Click Use Selected for cover. Then click OK. And then click Use Selected Images and save changes. Let's preview the iFloor plan again. Again, we can close the preview window anytime. As I am happy with my iFloor plan, I can now close the editor. This takes me back to my list of iFloorPlans. I'll just refresh this page. And there is my new iFloorPlan at the top of the list. In the next video, I will delve a little deeper into the app, and I'll show you how you can get more out of each iFloorPlan you create, including adding your own branding and your real estate agent's branding.